TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We have the S&P futures right now up 12. You get the NASDAQ futures up 26. Gold contract up $2. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note down 3 ticks, 119.07. 30-year bond off 7, 142.24. And good old King Dollar. King Dollar's up by 35 ticks at 90.740. Let's get over to that Nadex platform. We're going to start off with the dollar. Now, what happened with the dollar out here, folks? Dollar took out its March first high. Took a long time to do that. Bottom line, is it going to hold? That number inside the index is 90.490. Out here this morning, you can see what you have. We are at 90.740. Next, we go into the gold contract. So gold yesterday gets down to the 13.24 level. Bottom line, you're out there at 13.25. You're pushing into its strength, and the volume is dropping off. S&Ps out here right now, you get a bump up on the futures. Futures right now are trading at the 26.83 area. What we did do yesterday is that you pull back. You had dramatically lighter volume. Bottom line, this thing wants to go after the highs of last Thursday. NDX 100. Bottom line, inside the NDX 100, we had Google come out with numbers last night. Good numbers. Bottom line, though, Google is trading down $10. It was up as much as $30 last night after the close. Now, let's switch over to the good old bond market. Bonds out here, folks, what we did do is this. We had the 10-year breakdown. It got under the lows of the range that it's been trading in for 3 months. Right now, we are at 119.06. The number to keep your eye on today is going to be 119.14. That being said, the 30-year, guess what? The 30-year at rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Bottom line, 30-year wants higher price, so we have some heavy divergence there. 30-year got down to 142.09 yesterday. We're at 142.22. That baby looks like it wants to go topside. So lots of action out here today. Lots of earnings coming out after the close. To recap here, we have the S&P futures up 12.50. You get the NASDAQ futures up 25. Over in Europe, we get the DAX up 9 points. The FTSE is up 20 points. Stay right there, folks. Lots of great programming coming up at TFNN. We get our man, Mr. Larry Pesavento. Then Tommy and myself will be here at 10. Swim lessons. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White. I'll be back this afternoon, as well as Andy Hecht. Have a great one, folks. Have a safe one.